when he was in Jamaica on one of him visits. Went to him house over Greenwich Farm and I end up spending the whole day with him because I don't know I'm father. I mean I get to know him. And they did till in the hours in the night. Cause them time them meet Tony Rebel. Them time them meet Tony Rebel. But me and him never did start going on dealings or none of them kind of something there. And the day I'm there with my father and the hours come down, I'm supposed to take a taxi to come up Pembroke Hall. And he look at me and he say, nah man, you might go down, it's too late, stay. It's too late man, stay. You better you stay and go in the morning. Remember now, I'm a father, don't. So, from my father I say, build me, I go build, don't. And they there, you know, once and once pass through and them leave and thing and you know, the hours now, like, you know, I got one room and a one bed. So in the hours I go to bed. I go lay down on the bed. My father never go to bed, never ready to go to bed yet. And the next thing I wake up to in the hours is with my father. I penetrate me. I wake up in the hours to my father trying to penetrate me sexually. Hold me down in the bed. And have sex with me and tell me say, him wife now have no sex with him, so him have to do it with me. Now you understand Daddy don't touch me there. I'm gonna tell on you one day, I swear. Can't you see I'm scared? You're supposed to be my father though. My life has been a hell since that moment. And from that moment, I begin to fight for myself because I have to say, yo, if me drop, too much I go drop with me. So I have to hold it down. So I hold it for the sake of everything and everyone. I've been holding it for the sake of everything and everyone. When are we going to break this generational curse of rape and incest in our family then? And continue to re-victimize the people them who go through the darkest things them. Uno not dead when them things they happen. Uno not dead when them things they happen. But uno dead if you laugh after we. Uno dead if you thump we down and kick we down and re-victimize we. Because we choose not to be a victim of the circumstances. I have been trying to get my family to bring Derrick Morgan to the book to say, why did you do that? And when is it going to stop in our family then? the good family members them need to come together and show out the bad family members them who continue to do things like these and grow all kind of terrible victims of society. And instead of there is some people there to help, to fix it and to fix people like myself who have to live with this for the rest of my life. Me have to live with this for the rest of my life. While me have a brother named Derrick Morgan, who is also a victim of rape in the family. Him is going to come on social media and see me put up a text, a post about rape of children here in Jamaica and the fact that we do not want homosexuality to legalize down here because too much pervert in our high places down here. My brother is going to text. None of them never come out and can defend me yet with all of what me I got through. But my brother is going to come on social media underneath me post and write, say, if ignorant people like Queen Ifrica, Derrick Morgan, me tell you in a private, say you never did go get where me never did go take it no more from the Morgan family. And if the good Morgan them in the Morgan family do not stand up and defend the good name of the Morgan family, because even though Derrick Morgan is the head of the family and everybody is protecting Derrick Morgan is a pervert. My father, Derrick Morgan, is a pervert. You know, hear me say me never ever go stop. You know, hear me say it's a purpose and a reason God have me for. And comes what me, the truth must realize, and some of the children them in Jamaica must be free from this rape we no have we down here. You know things so me can't talk my story, man. I have one. I have a story, but I refuse to suffer in silence while the people that hurt me behave like nothing never happened. And want me to mad out, and want me to lose myself, and want me to go turn whore and prostitute and don't love myself. I am not what happened to me. These things happen to me. It does not define me. So I want to tell anyone that is watching this right now, say, the things that happen to you in life should not define you, but should help you to be a better person for yourself first and then for your surroundings. I love my family. I've been trying for years since the incident happened with my father to get the family to sit him down and to ask him why he did it and if he's going to say sorry. And all them do is defend him. My other brother, when he Courtney Morgan, him call my phone and threaten me. Say our father not going to be a martyr for me. So why I'm going to fly, come to Jamaica, come do me. Courtney Morgan, me did promise you to. So me never ever go take it no more in silence. But I have people that judge me and I make it look like me just want to get up and come talk about domestic issues and talk about family issues. I live what I'm talking about. I've lived it and conquered it and survived it. So that I can sit here and tell you, say, you can overcome any darkness where you go through in your life. You can overcome it. Don't make nobody re-victimize you after them rape you. If a lesbian rape you, if a homosexual person rape you, you don't have to give them your soul in return because of that. All you have to do is turn to the Almighty Creator, whoever you conceive Him to be, and ask Him to be there in your life. You no go check my track record, no man. You no go check where Queen Ifrica do, no man. And that's why them fight me so, because them don't want the people to realize that there's a way out of darkness, man. There's a way out of darkness, man. And we cannot sit down and make them continue to do this to us as victims of this society, man. Because it's not fair for you to victimize someone and then want them to turn around and defend you and defend what you're doing. It's not fair. So when they them see me take up this, me not take up this because me I look no friend from no one. Me I take up this because I want some little girl and some little boy, if you know, say. You can't overcome incest. You can't overcome rape. You can't overcome abuse by loving yourself. And when I say love yourself, I mean like seriously loving yourself for real, no matter how you feel. Sometimes you feel like hang yourself. Sometimes you feel like jump off or somewhere. Sometimes you feel like, why me even did born in the first place? And then something else come in your head and say, because God have a purpose for you. And we have to heal ourselves. Jamaican people, and we have to heal ourselves. I am turning to you because I'm not turning to them. I'm turning to you, the people, because I'm not turning to the satanic movement. I'm not surrendering to the devil. I will never surrender to the devil. I will never surrender to the devil. I give everything to the Almighty Creator who make all things. Who am to know? The families them can start heal by people in the families them accepting the wrongs them in the family them where them a do. And family members start protect the wrongdoers them in the family them. Call them out. Call them out. This is why we have so much predators, because the victim them so afraid and ashamed because of what people are going to think about them. And my family even go as far as to say a lie me I tell pan Derrick Morgan. Some of them say a lie me I tell and why would I make me, them I say me allow him to do that to me. Me just want to meet my father and know my father and can boast say me have a father in my life. And that him do to me. And I me wrong. And I me them I say wrong. And me them I tell fi quiet. And me them I tell fi go one side. And me them I tell say, alright, Queen, love it. And every day I get up and look around me. Me see so much people we are suffer the same thing when me are suffer and don't know who to talk to or where to turn. I don't know, I come tell me say me fi go silent and go do music. I hate me fi hate music. I hate me fi hate music. But me never make none of that make me hate music. Me use music as my tool for heal me. That's why me sang them so healing. You know, listen, me sang them and you can heal. Because of my heart and my soul then come from. When me in my darkest moments, then me find the best things them to write about. I saw me survive. I saw me save myself to this point now where if me just walk with so, no one now gonna know them. I gonna just think say Queen Ifrica buckle to pressure and walk away. She chat too much so them run her off her internet. I am doing this for every Brittany Goff them and Ivan them and Queenie them and Amari them. You remember me tell you that? And them woman them me identify with. I feel them struggles me identify with. But I always say you don't have to be a victim of your circumstance. You can rise above it and find better ways to heal and protect yourself. And that's the little secret you never know about me why I stay so. Me no believe in a have a better outcome for things.